Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the follow-up video from Evidence Barnabas 376. So he has requested us to say, let's complete the top view. Even though the question didn't say we have to complete, I think, but you want to see how is it going to come up. You understand? So in the final examination, if the question didn't say complete the top view, don't further go. But in case if you are practicing, try to accommodate everything so that in case the question said complete the top view, you are able to do that. So remember, this is a follow-up question. We did this and it's posted. Just scroll down below, you'll see the video where we were doing this step by step. So now what we can do, I've got a 0.0 there, which means remember this, somebody might be like might call it an auxiliary top. Me now will call it a top view, incomplete. So now let's complete it. If I've got a 0 there, 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? So if I've got these points like this, so right from there at the bottom part of our front view, I can say I'm still having what, 0.0 here with 12 there. You understand? So we are just going to number them so that we know which point is which one, so that we call them by names. We don't say that one. You understand? So right there I am going to have 0.1 with 11, yeah, 0.2 with 10, yeah, 0.3 with what, with 9, then yeah, 0.4 with the 8, 5 there with 7, then 0.6 on its own. So this point right at the bottom part of our cone, they were directed to your apex point, isn't it? So they're directed to your apex point, but along the way they were disturbed by the what, by the cutting plane. So this 0 it will go is right there. Now 0 and 12, they are up there. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this point vertically down, 0.0 vertically down, and come and intersect with the line of 0 there by your top view. Let's do it. This is it. There it goes from there, apex point, isn't it? Once it touches the cutting plane, gonna go vertically down. So there it is, which means I've got a point right there. So which is 0.0. So 0.1 in line with 11, that goes, trace it from there. Once it touches the cutting plane, this is it. It's going to go vertically down. There it is. And now you are going to use the line of 1 and 7. So you see that the necessity of what, of after you've divided your circle into 12 equal parts, then you have to cross join them like this. So if you cross join them like this, 1 it will be in line with 7, 2 with 8, 4 with 10, 5 with 11, 6 with 0. You understand? So that is why we are going to have a point there at 0.1, and on the other side right there. Why? Because of we know 0.1 and 0.11, they are in the same line. You understand? So this is 0, 1 and 11. So go to 0.2 is in line with 10. There it is, to your apex point. Once it touch the cutting plane there, it's gonna go, there you go. So 0.2, this is the line of 2 going to 8, isn't it? So I've got a point right there, I've got a point right here. And now 0.3, to get 0.3, take a closer look. Since from there till there it's a straight line, you understand, it's more or less the straight line, which means even here we're supposed to get a straight line as such that you can even draw it with your with your compass. You understand? So to get 0.3, so the distance from 0.3 is the same as this one from here. Then I can mark it there, and mark it right there. You understand why? Because of there it's a straight line horizontally. It's a straight line horizontal. So now I'll say without fear of favor, 0.3 is right there with 0.9 right there. A1. Now to get point A and B, so maybe I can mark point B is that one. From here, isn't it? From here it goes to your score. We are going to take it to your apex point, which is something very close there. Something very close there. Then once it touch there, take it vertically down. There you go. And then you take this point to your apex point of your top view, isn't it? There it goes. So it's giving me a point somewhere there. How did we did it? You take this point so that you get that point. That one is along this horizontal straight line, and then once it touch that cutting plane, you take it vertically down, so that it's going to give you a point with the line that you, the moment you take this one to your apex point, where they collide is your point. You understand? So the point C, I mean the point A, because this was B, the point A, this is it, which is the last one, isn't it? From here to your apex point, which is the last one, very close to this one. So you take it vertically down. There you go. You understand? So now you take this one to your apex point of your top view. There it is. So we are going to have a point right there. You understand? So now the 0.4, which is this one from here till there, this is the line. From once it gets there, remember it's gonna not that one, but there, because it's 4, there it goes. You take it vertically, so it will be a straight line. Why? Because of from here till here it's a straight line vertically. So 0.4, 0.4, we are still getting 0.4 here, but now using the line of 4. This is very much interesting and it's very much important to understand. So why are they sharing the same point here? Because of this point A and 0.4, they're in the same straight line. When you are viewing it on its top, they will be in the same line. You understand? So 0.5, there it goes, which is this one. Let's see it. It's also in the same line. So, but when you go to your top, at what? At a line of 5. So there it is. Then 0.6, again is there, the same line. Actually from point A, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in line with 5, 8 in line with, you understand, they will be in the what? In the same line. Same line. And then 7 in line with 5, there it goes, which means I've got a point here. Then 8 in line with what? With 4. This is 4, which means this is 4, isn't it? That goes from there till there, which means I've got a point here. You understand? So what you did here, you're supposed to do it this side. That is why it was necessary for you to further extend them down, So now you are going to just take this point, which is your point A most, this one. This A, which is that one. So this second one, point B, that one. I don't know whether you can see it. That one, which is this one there by your top view. So now I can construct them like this. There you go. And like this we go. So now you are going to have a point right here and there. So which means without fear or favor, from here till there, it will be a straight line. But these points, they must be plotted so that we understand how did you get them. You understand? So now you're gonna use your flexi curve or your freehand to have this There you go. There you go. There you go. Like this to go. Remember there is a point here, and like this to go. Okay, if it was in a solid form, we were going to section here. We're going to have hatches here. You understand? But this is not in a solid form. So now let's see what is happening this part. This part, what is going to happen. So the very first point that you'll have to construct it down is this one. Take this point vertically down. There you go. So which means from this point to this one, from here, there you go, there you go, there you go. You're supposed to have hidden details. Place your compass there at your apex point of your top view and construct this as hidden as possible, because it's an offcut. Like this. And then again, let's see what is going to happen here. Is it going to be a straight line? Yes, it's going to be a straight line like this one. From here till here, it should be a straight line as well. So without fear or favor, there you go. Then now, this side, you can have it dark. What is happening now here? The compass mustn't shift, it must have 1 point. Have it solid like this here. So like this you go. So that's how you are going to have. So if it, assuming it was given, so if they're saying xx is there, which means there by your top view, this x, it should be here and right there. You see, now you can see it clearly. So that's where they are cutting it. So now let's see, because from here, from this side going this side, coming something like this till at this point, we must have hidden details. Till at this point, we must have hidden details. So how are you going to get them? So this point from here till there is which one? Alright guys, if you take a closer look, looking at this front view of yours on its top, this is going to be, this one is going to be in hidden. This one is not in hidden, isn't it? You're going to see it clearly right in front of your eyes. This one is under, so it's supposed to be exposed as hidden details. So we are going to take this point vertically down, which is this one, and this point down, and this one down, and this one down. So like this, there you go. So this is the line of 5 and 7, isn't it? So which means there at 5 I've got a point here, mark it, and I've got a point right there, mark it. This first one is which one? Is 0.6, isn't it? So is this one there, which means this point is actually right there. You understand? So now when you go further, we've got a point of 4 and 8. Project it down to your top view. So at line of 4, you've got a point there, and you've got a point right there. You understand? So between 4 and the what and the 3, there is A, B. So this is A. Actually, that goes from the bottom part of your front view, it goes to your apex point, isn't it? But then there is a point which is the cutting plane. So you're going to project this point down. So this is the line of A going to your apex point of your top view. So you've got a point there, and there, where is your A? Is here. You've got a point right there. So and a B, there it is, which is the last one. So this is it, and somewhere there, so something of this nature. And then from here to the B and B is going to be a solid, not solid, it's going to be a hidden. Why am I spoiling my work? Remember that this is a hidden, so it's going to be hidden even here, hidden from here till there, joining this point. Remember, it's a what? It's a top from here till this side. There you go. You using your flexi curve or your freehand. Hidden details. You understand? Hidden details. So from here till there is not dark. It's going to be hidden. Actually, from here till at the end of your what? Till at the outer circumference of your cycle. Again, from here till at the end, outside of your circumference of your cycle. You understand? So this one I did it mistakenly. It's supposed to be in hidden. You understand? So thank you very much for watching, guys. That was Mr. Nkosi. I think evidence Barnabas 372. I was trying to answer your follow-up question there. I think you've answered. So if you have not clear on what we've just did, you can let me down there on the comment. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you later. See you on the next video. Okay.